In this tutorial, I just want us to go through graphical user interface and command line interface. I want you to understand that I'll pay particular attention to graphical user interface because it's something that the majority are using and the majority use it. When you just begin to use computers, it's obviously that you'll be using the graphical user interface. When we talk about the interfaces, user interfaces, we've got too many interfaces. The first one is the graphical user interface that all of us use, and there is also a command line interface which I will be creating tutorials on, and basically this one is a bit advanced because very few actually want to interact with the command line interface. Okay, and you can see the differences by just the show of these pictures. So there is a graphical user interface and there is also the command line interface right here. Okay, now today I just want to fully focus on the graphical user interface, and something that you really need to appreciate about the graphical user interface is that it has got features, and the simplest way to master these features when we talk about the graphical user interface is you can abbreviate these features in one word called WIMP. So you're going to have W for Windows, I for icon, then M for menu, and P for pointer. Now these have already been defined for you. So when you talk about Windows, these are screens on your computer screen, right? Icons, we know whatever we see mean pictures on the desktop, those are what we call icons. A menu, the bar that allows you to choose from a variety of options. For instance, if you want to create a folder, you usually right click on a blank space and you see a menu pop up, then you can select from the options, then create your folder and all that. Pointers, the cursor that we use. Anyways, we use a mouse here to move the cursor, so the cursor happens to be the pointer. I hope this helps you understand the graphical user interface, and all I wanted us to major on was just on the features of the graphical user interface. In future videos, I'll be creating detailed tutorials to do with the command line interface, which is one of very powerful interfaces that you'd love to also just learn to interact with.